In this video, I will show with you how to cancel Purple subscription step by step. So if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video guide. So the first step you need to do, friends, go to your profile icon. From the profile icon, go to My Lessons, as you can see here. If you have any lessons, paid lessons, you can cancel from this My Lesson option. As you can see here, if I make this one, go to your profile icon, as you can see here on the screen, choose your My Lessons, scroll down, click on this one, manage your lessons, click 3 points, select cancel subscription or pause your subscription here, choose your this one date, August for example. After that, click pause until 17 July for in this case, and then click schedule or cancel your lessons. Just go to My Lessons here. As you can see here, go to My Lessons, and then you can cancel successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget, give like and give share this.